Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the iPhone 11 that was released back in September 2019 and how it's been holding up 1 year later. To quickly refresh your memory, the iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch LCD screen, the A13 Bionic chip inside, with a 12 megapixel camera that can shoot 4K 60 FPS both front and rear, and also has 4 GB RAM. Now, to start off this review, let's talk about the body. I personally always have a case on. Right now I took it off for the review. It's just a regular silicone case. It would look like that. Okay, I always have a case on, and I usually have a screen protector on, as you can see over there, the screen protector. So in case I drop it, I can have the most protection. Now, there have been a few times where I actually did drop it from waist height and from head height, and I didn't get any scratches, I didn't get any dents, and not even the screen protector cracked or anything like that. So in terms of durability wise, it's really good. Since the very beginning, this phone has been very smooth and very fast. It has not slowed down since the launch. If you take a look, Face ID unlocks right away. There's no lag, no hiccups, no nothing. But there has been a few times where the apps suddenly close for no reason, but if you do open them again, there's no problem. Watching YouTube videos or Netflix has been really good on this phone. Let me just show you a quick example of scrolling through pages. Seems a little bright. Let's lower that. So scrolling through pages is really fast, really smooth. Okay, so here we are on Netflix. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for this, but I just wanted to show you the quality. It looks really good. You can't tell it's a sub 1080p panel. It's actually a very good screen, and the voice, the sound is very loud. It gets very loud.
Well, I'm going in with him. No! Stay away from it. You'll just get caught too.
So watching videos, watching Netflix on this is really good. It has a really good experience. Smooth, fast, good sound. Everything's clear in HD. Now, even when this has 30 different apps running in the background, there's no lag or stutter. As you can see, I have many tabs open, like a lot, probably around 25 at least, but this doesn't stutter at all. It's working perfectly fine. Thanks to that A13 Bionic chip, it's very fast. Scrolling, just searching up, launching. See, if we launch a game, it launches very fast. See, we're already in the game. Okay. The only time I actually did see it stutter was when I only had 1 GB left of storage. Right now, I have around maybe 8 GB left. I probably should remove some old photos and a lot of stuff like that. So I use this phone for almost everything, from checking my emails and replying, or checking group chats for online school, or using online school work apps, reading books on it, watching YouTube and listening to music. I even edited a 4K video on this phone for one of the trips I went to this summer. It was a really smooth and good experience. On a regular day when I wake up, I charge my phone all the way to around 90 to 100%, which normally lasts me through the day easily, leaving me with around 20 to 30% left. This gets me around 6 to 7 hours of use. My settings are usually at half brightness. I keep it at half brightness, and when the battery level drops below 50%, I put it on low power mode, just to preserve the battery a bit more. I usually run apps like Snapchat, YouTube, Netflix, Gmail, Camera, Chrome throughout the day, which do take quite a bit of battery, especially Chrome and Snapchat, but it really handles really well. On a full charge use day, like going to a trip across the province using maps, data, the camera app, and photo editing and video calling, I get around 8 hours of battery, and by the time I get home, I'm left with 5%. Even after a year later, the battery health is actually. Where's the battery health? The battery health is actually at 94%, as you can see over there. It's at 94%, which is really good. If you're a heavy user, you can easily get 5 hours of on-screen time, and if you're a light user, then you can manage 8 to 9 hours of on-screen time. So what does that mean? So that means if you're a light user, you can get by 2 days without charging this phone. And if you're a heavy user, you can get by 1 full day without charging this phone. This iPhone 11 first came out with iOS 13, and iOS 13 wasn't a major update. It mainly added features that should have been there from the start. But we got those anyways, and it was a bit buggy when apps decided to randomly crash. Then came iOS 14, which was a pretty big update in terms of how the iPhones would look and how we interact with them. So let's go to my. So as you can see from my home screen, I have custom wallpaper, custom widgets, I customized it a lot. Like almost every screen is customized. And now you can hide screens, you can hide apps that you don't want in the front and without deleting them. You can put little cool pictures at the top, as you can see here. You can put cool little pictures on your phone to customize it however you want. And there's even a step further to take. You can even customize the apps to make it a certain color to match with your theme or whatever you want. So there's a lot of customization going on with iOS 14. I love this update because this just gives the iPhone a new sense of personalization that we never really had, and a chance to make it truly ours to our liking and taste. Also, the widgets are really useful with information that can be read right from the widget without opening the app and being able to access it right from my home screen. A lot of bugs have been fixed with iOS 14.2, and it's now working pretty smoothly, and I really recommend upgrading to the new software if possible for your phone. Let's move on to the camera quality. Even with all the new generation of smartphones coming out, the iPhone 11 still has one of the best cameras in all of smartphones. These pictures are crisp and clear with a bright and accurate color. Portrait mode is accurate 90% of the time. Sometimes it blurs a few strands of hair or a little part of the edge is not blurred. And it looks a little bit weird, but it's okay. It gets it right most of the time. Now this is 4K 60 FPS. Now the iPhone 12 has come out with some better specs. People automatically think it's a better value, but that's not entirely true. The cameras are very slightly better in the iPhone 12, but you can't even tell properly. Video quality is about the same. The performance is only a slightly better with a smaller chip than before. And the only noticeable difference is the new design with the flat edges and the back. And also that new screen that is now a true full HD screen, unlike before. Yeah, right there. That's what I'm talking about, the flat edge. This is a round edge and rounded back. So the new iPhone also has 5G, but 5G services aren't really able to take full advantage of that technology yet. The iPhone 11 is the clear winner when it comes to the battery, since there is a decent battery size difference. The iPhone 11 currently costs $599 US, or 849 Canadian dollars. And the iPhone 12 costs $799 in the US and $1,129 in Canada. It all depends on your budget, but you can easily afford the iPhone 11. And in terms of value per dollar, you will get the most out of the iPhone 11. In conclusion, the iPhone 11 is a great choice, even for today's standards. It brings a lot of good features with a new reasonable price that is much more appealing to a lot more people. It held up extremely well over the year, and it will only get better with the new and improved software updates. Now, if you found this video to be entertaining or helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps me become more motivated to push out more content for you guys. If you have any questions or any other suggestions, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll make sure to reply to all of you. Well guys, this is the end of this review. Until my next video, see you guys later. Peace out.